Today we're going to demonstrate how to cut cube-sized tofu for miso soup. Today we're using medium firm tofu. First we want to open it and drain off the water. And we're going to start by cutting this into thirds widthwise. And then we'll take each section, cut those into thirds. We want sections of 3 sheets here. Just like this. We'll cut each of these sections into thirds again. Now, we'll just rotate the whole thing. And we're going to cut small 1/4 inch long sections here. So it'll result in little cubes. And once we cut the tofu, we can move it to a container for storage. And it's important to note that for storing tofu, it should be kept submerged in water. I'll change the water a couple times so it's clear and it's ready for storage.